Hello everyone, I'm John and this is Just a GearHead, and today's episode we're going on a little road trip. Stay tuned. So like I said, today we're going on a bit of a road trip. This weekend is me and Talina's wedding anniversary, so we're going to take a little road trip out to Hinton and Canmore and then back to Edmonton. See if we can find some nice scenery for you guys to look at, and if anything interesting happens, I'll definitely film it, and we'll get back to you later. So, wedding anniversary weekend, and I managed to find a swap meet to go to. Good thing my wife doesn't mind. Anyways, we'll go check that out. So that was a quick little swap meet. Really not much there, but we'll continue on our journey. So we've made it to the town of Hinton, which is like 3.5 hours from Edmonton, I think. About 3.5, yeah. Anyways, it's starting to snow just a little bit, but we're going to go for a little hike. It's a place called the Beaver Boardwalk. It's just a little local trail, I guess. But yeah, we'll see if we find anything interesting to film. Alright, so after walking around at that Beaver Boardwalk area, we decided to take a little drive, and we went up to an area called Jarvis Lake. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It's a tad windy up here, being that it's fall and cold. Anyways, we're going to walk around up here, see if there's anything interesting to film. right, hopefully the wind's not too bad. We are now up at the north end of the Jarvis Lake area. It's actually a pretty lake. A few hiking paths and stuff. But yeah, we'll keep taking a look around. So, Hinton, the town, isn't really all that interesting, but there are a lot of small and medium-sized lakes around Hinton that are very picturesque. Lots of boating and fishing and stuff in the summer. Being that it's fall, it's mostly deserted up here, which is actually kind of nice. We got the place to ourselves mostly. So, anyways, this is Greg Lake. So it's the next morning here in Hinton. It is still cloudy and gray out. And yeah, we're going to start off the next day. But I guess I'll show you guys this. After spending a day or so driving a little bit of the backwoods around those lakes and that, this is what the car looks like. She is definitely going to need a bath when we get home. Anyways, get back on the road. right, so we're back in Jasper. This is where we were for the New Year's ski trip. Much warmer today than it was that day. Still a little cool. All right, so here we are. We're on Pyramid Lake on Pyramid Island. It's a little lake just north of the Jasper town area. Nice twisty road to get up here. Nice vistas and beautiful mountain scenery. So here we are, we're at Samwapta Falls, which is just south of Jasper, and I'll see if I can get you guys a good shot here. So we're in Canmore. We actually just had dinner at a place called The Trough. It was very good. The mussels done in a green curry sauce, excellent. I had the ribs, which are a citrus jerk style, and they were really good. The wife had a duck that was done with an apple brandy glaze, I believe, and gin and Saskatoon sauce. That was good. And also, I had sticky toffee pudding, because I'm a sticky toffee pudding fan, and it was good. Not quite as good as the Buchanan's that I had the last video, or one of the last videos, but very good still. Anyways, if you're in Canmore, Alberta, go check them out. That's The Trough. Alright, so it's the next morning. We're still in Canmore. We're just kind of down on the trendy, shoppy area. But, of course, it's too early for anything to be open. So we're just going to head home. Calgary. Talina made me stop here for one thing and one thing only, and that was to go to chocolate. Now, chocolate is obviously a chocolate store. They make handmade truffles to order while you wait if you want. They also sell various types of chocolates and chocolate bars or chocolate barks and stuff. And they also serve hot chocolate. Now, their hot chocolate tastes like just melted chocolate. It's really, really good. And they have like a couple of different variations of that. So if you're in Calgary, check them out. It's all natural, gluten-free, right? All types of other free stuff, except for calories, as they say. But anyways, we'll get back to you guys later. So we got home. I didn't film the last little bit coming up from Calgary up to Edmonton because it's kind of a boring drive and it was kind of gray and miserable, so I didn't bother filming that. And you guys seen it before, so no big deal. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys want merchandise, check out the Redbubble link in the description. And yeah, I'll see you next time.